Okay, May, put that down. Put that down.
Put this down. Put this down. Put this down. Put this down. Yes. Yes. Whoa! What's that?
You know what that is?
It's cool! I see something pink! I see something pink, Daddy!
Wyatt, help her out.
Oh yeah, I got a pink controller. Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's so good. Whoa. Whoa. And thank you, Amy. Can't see the rest of the world. Or the word. Ninjas. Daddy, what does that say?
I don't know.
I think it says what?
Shaun White?
Yeah, but he's in fruit. And what's that? Smurfs. Fight. Quiet. Yay, Daddy! It's Madagascar cards. Cool. What's this? And I can play it with my pink controller.
Yes, you can.
Awesome. Includes power speed charger. Oh yeah. Now I open the thingy with the bag.
Well, here's something over here for you.
Okay. Twisted. I'm twisted. Oh.
What is that?
Mallow Pals, squeezable marshmallow. Squeezable marshmallows. Cool! Yeah! Over here. So first,
Oh,
I
real,
said that wrong.
real cotton candy. That's not for you. That's for May.
They're American Doodle thingies! Italian album stickers? What are album stickers? They're cool!
You guys get on close up on me.
Oh. Okay, this is right here.
That's for your American Girl, though.
Okay, Daddy, are these PJs or
It's no outfit.
are these PJs or clothes?
I don't know. What's it say?
That can be both. This is cool, Daddy. Popcorn bags. Oh yeah. Where's the pop? Rango. Oh yeah. And then where's the other one?
You ever seen that one?
Huh?
You ever seen Rango?
I've seen it once, but I haven't seen it for a long time. Oh yeah, I love this movie.
What movie?
Rio?
I've never seen that one.
He's looking at earmuffs.
Well, check out the other one. See if that's the one you wanted.
Ow. The what?
The other movie.
Oh, I didn't know there was another movie. Yeah! I haven't seen this yet. Oh yeah, what is it? Ice Age dinosaurs. He's like, is this just mine? Is this mine? I like it.
I hope so. You're already eating them.
Oh yeah, they're the Jiffy Pop. I've never used these before.
Me neither.
But I've seen them. You go like this and you neon worms. Oh, what? Cool! I'm gonna eat those. Yeah, Daddy, there was two, so that's good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Raisinets. Raisins covered in chocolates. I like these, but not just regular raisins. And a 3-pack of Cracker Jacks. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's neon ones. Another one.
I think they like it.
Yeah. And then another bucket. Oh yeah.
Wyatt's going to be bouncing off the walls here in a minute. Okay, guys. Say bye and thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Amy.